Hello everyone! Look, I turn on the water. The pressure is strong, but almost no water flows from the shower head. Instead, water flows from the place where the shower head attaches to the hose. Friends, you are on the Home Tips channel, and in this video I will show you how to fix a shower leak. The repair will take 2 minutes and you won't spend a penny. So, unscrew the shower head. Take a knife and pry the plug. It needs to be removed. As you can see, my hose has broken off completely. The other part of it is still inside. I'm going to take it out now. Your plug may come off together with the hose. Look at it carefully and find the hole. That's where the water is leaking from. You need to cut the hose just below the hole. I don't need to cut anything. Next, you need to remove the plug and put it on the intact hose. Now, the plug with the hose attached needs to be put back in place. All that's left is to screw on the shower head. Don't forget about the sealing rubbers. The shower is shorter in length because we cut off part of the hose. This is the length before repair. This is after. But if you need to fix a leaky shower quickly, this method is definitely the best. Look, the shower is no longer leaking and the pressure is normal again. When you have time, go to the store, buy a new hose and replace it. If you found this video helpful and were able to fix your leaking shower, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.